Welcome to StackBuy. StackBuy is a flexible and collaborative spreadsheet-style database platform. Today, we are going to see how you can create your custom project tracker using StackBuy. So, here's your stack. This stack has 3 tables: projects, clients, and tasks. In the projects table, you manage all the information about the projects. So let's just add a new project. See, I call it social media branding. I basically select the client. So there is a link column type. So this project is essentially linked to the clients table, where you can then link, you can click the plus sign and link the client. So all the records from the clients table will show up. Say for example, I want to link it to the StackBuy client. I can add notes. Need to redesign social media strategy. Add a category. Select a lead. Add your project team. So the people that you add will get real-time notifications. Select a start date, an end date, and then select the status. In this case, it's to do. It's yet to do. I can add any project files by bringing data from my computer or from Google Drive, OneDrive, Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So for example, I just bring a couple of documents. So let's just say this. So I added that file. Now what I can also do is I have the tasks table. Now within the task table, I've added all the tasks. So I can select the tasks that is required for this project. And for example, if the task is not there, so I can just add one more, say content calendar, and just add a new row. So I've added these tasks. So the content calendar is here, and in the task table, a new row is created saying that content calendar, which is linked to the social media branding project. So here, there are 2 different column types. One is total tasks, that basically gives you the total amount of tasks that is linked to that particular project, right? And who was this created by and updated by. Now, in the projects table, I can also basically see this in different views. So I can create a Kanban view that basically puts all the projects in to do, doing, and done. So I can just drag and drop. I can see it in a calendar view where I can see it by start date and end date, or I can just see it by start date or the end date. I can see it in month, week, work week, day, or agenda. I can also see all the project files that I have in a gallery view, where I can basically create a new gallery view and see those projects and all the files associated with those projects. Now I can also individually open each of those records, but I can still change the same information as I would change in a table. I can chat with my team members. See the history of the project, the complete activity history. Add an individual checklist. Say within this project I want to do this or do that. Or even set a reminder that can go into Slack or Microsoft Teams, where you communicate with your team. Now let's look at the clients table. Now within the clients table, I've already linked this to the projects. So I can see how many projects have we got from a particular client, all their details, and what is the status of those projects. So I've created a lookup here. So for example, if I add one more project here, say for Stackby Instagram management, so it basically changes the number of projects and it gives you the lookup of the statuses of those projects. Now in the task table, all the individual tasks are there. I can assign it to people, change the status, and I can also add subtasks and see the progress of those subtasks. So for example, there is a subtask here, column type, called progress. I can open this and this opens a checklist. Send material. So it basically changes the progress of it. So I can create a task and subtasks. Now, when I hit on completed, with a checkbox, what I can then see is, in the projects table, I can see how many tasks have been assigned and how many tasks are remaining. So here is an aggregation of all the completed tasks from the task table, and I have created a sum of it from this table and just apply. So it basically gives me what are the total number of tasks and the total tasks remaining for those tasks that are linked. I can also individually search each of those records. I can hide a particular column. I can even filter, say, where status is based on where status is doing, and I can filter those projects accordingly. Same way I've done it in tasks. So I have all the clients. Now I want to just filter out, the clients that we're doing ongoing work. So I've created, a filter where the status lookup is doing, and only the clients that we are currently working on will show up here using this filter. You can also individually share this view with your team members rather than giving them access to the complete database. So they can only see, on certain clients or the certain work, that they have to work on. So this is how you can manage your projects, whether it is marketing, branding, social media, SEO, web, you name it. You can manage any sort of a project using this very easy to use and customizable project tracker, and collaborate with your team in real time to get things done. So build your first project tracker today and don't wait to get started.